Hi, this is Susan from Susan Newman Design, and we're at Mission 50 in Hoboken learning WordPress tips. Today we're going to learn how to automatically notify somebody about your WordPress blog.
We're on a website that's using WordPress as its content management system, and we're going to learn how to automatically notify someone about a WordPress blog. Well, the best way to do this is to set up your RSS feed. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to go to the dashboard, and you're going to go down to plugins, and in your plugins you're going to install the social media widget. And once you install that and activate it, you're going to go to your appearance widgets, and you're going to drag the social media widget over to your main sidebar area. And in this, once you open it up, you can put in whatever links you want to go to Facebook and Google Plus and your RSS feed. So how do you get the RSS feed? So you go to feedburner.google.com, and if you don't have an account, you'll create one, and then you're going to put in the feed that you want to create. So you put in the feed title. In this case it was Broadcast Louder. You put in the address so that it knows where the blog posts are coming from. And what it will do is it will generate a feed link for you. So you take this and you copy it, and you go back to your widgets, and you just copy that and you put it in right where it says RSS feed, and you save. And then when you go back to the home page, or whatever page you're on the site, and you see this link, if you click on that link, it automatically goes to a page where it says, okay, you want to sign up to get the blog content. And you just say yes, and they will start coming to you. And that's how you automatically notify someone about a WordPress blog.
I hope that tip was helpful. For more information, visit Susan Newman Design. Thank you.